I didn't post for the last 8 months, I think, because I was super busy with school, and I'm now graduating senior high, and I'm stepping into a new journey, which is college, and I hope I'll also excel in that. So in this video, it is what I crochet in a week and what I did in a week, but a little explanation. The first 2 days is I didn't film it because I didn't know that I was doing this video. So I'm just going to show what I crochet in that 2 days, and then let's continue on with the videos that I film every day. So let's go. And I'm quite proud. I'm quite proud with what I crochet this week. So let's go. So this is the first crochet top that I made. I ran out of yarn in this part, but I like the design of it. I think this is going to be my favorite top that I made this week. I made this on last Thursday. Yeah. So this is the second top that I made the next day, and I think I like all of it, so I'm sorry, but I really like all of it, and I think I'm gonna wear everything. The back, the front, yeah. This is the third top that I made. Again, this is up in the list of what I crochet of the tops that I crochet. It's so nice, and I really like the little sneak peek on the shoulder. Here it is. And I ran out of yarn this part, but I will not see on the back, so I do not care. So yeah, I really like it, especially the neck part. And I freestyle. I didn't follow any pattern for this, so I'm very proud to do this without pattern. Yeah. So it's not a top, so this is the next project, but it's not a top, it's a hip scarf. I think I like it, not my fave, but I'll wear it. Yeah. update. My hair is so frizzy, what the heck. So ignore that. Update. I didn't crochet the whole day. And I'm gonna frog what I did kanina. I didn't crochet because I was quite busy editing our video for graduation. I'm graduating and I'm almost college now. I can't believe it. My hair is a mess. My gosh. So, I don't know if I'm going to read or crochet. Let's find out. So, update. I'm crocheting something new. So that, ito yung kanina. Ay, hindi ko na tatapusin. Lol. And this is what I'm gonna crochet. What I'm crocheting now. So my goal for the night, it's already 10:42 p.m. and I kind of want to finish the top part of the top. Like this is the top part and then the bottom is gonna be flowy. I think that's called a baby doll top. I'm not sure, but overall, yung goal ko for the night is to be done with this panel. So tomorrow is just going to be the bottom and the sleeves. I think I'm gonna stop crocheting at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. I mean, I hope. So yeah. Oh, and also recommend me some series, whether it's C-drama, Western. I don't know if it's called Western, but any type of series to watch while crocheting or just watching because I am in need of them. Thank you very much. Good morning. It's 10:26 a.m. and I just woke up an hour ago and I'm gonna crochet. I want to finish the top that I was working today, I hope. And also, I didn't finish what I wanted to do last night because I was already sleepy and I want my alone time. Wow, alone time. And I was only halfway. I was only halfway there. So, yeah. And I'm watching also crocheting things. Yeah. So I'm just gonna double it to the next person. Maybe. I'm just gonna do this for the second time and then we're on the flowy part of the top. Here, I ran out of yarn, so I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, and I got the other crochet top that I was starting yesterday, and I didn't want to frog it because maybe I wanted to make it later into the week, month, year. I don't know. I'm just gonna frog this when I definitely need it. And yeah. So maybe I'm this close into finishing the top part. I'm done with the top part. So we're going to I don't know. We're going to do the flowy part next, and then the sleeves. I want to finish this top today and then start a new crochet project at night. I hope, because this vlog is a week in my life, and I want to crochet a project a day. So we're on 5th day. No, we're on 6th day, and this is my 5th project. So I'm a little behind. So wish me luck. So a little update. I frog it. Joke. I frog it because I didn't like how roughly it was, and it was taking so long. I know I was half there, I was half being done. What? Ano daw? But I didn't like how roughly it looks. So when starting again, and it's already 8:25 p.m. So hi guys, so update, it's already 11:34 p.m. and I'm done with the top, and I'm gonna sleep now because I'm still gonna wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. tomorrow. Good night. Bye. So this is the last top that I made. Not quite in the top crochet tops that I made, but it's not on the top, but maybe top 10. I don't know, but it's not my favorite, but I wear it definitely. Again with a baby doll top, but in one colorway. Here though is the details.
Yo!
Ano, buwi na po na.
Wait lang. Hoy! Ano mga boses natin?
Baba ka!
Oo pala. Ano pala Chris?
Kahit napahiramin ka, ba't ayaw mo?
Ay, hindi.
Natawa.
Mag-crochet na lang ata.
Yung likod mo, Neymar.
Likod pa rin na may likod niya. Di sabi mo ako magka-table na for a while.
Nanonood ka sa kamoto.
Halos sa atang friends niya. Tiesyo ba? Sabi ko kasi sa'yo eh, lagi tayo lang sa tang.
Balik-balik to dyan dyan ganyan eh.
Tinanong ko lang si Daisy. Pwede ko ba ito? Ayun, kinorek ko naman. 12 pala yung bata. Sabi sa'yo, parang mali.
Palitan mo na.
Where's poker face when lying about wedding?
So hi guys, my nails, ignore that, I'm sorry. Hi guys, it's already night time. It's 9:21 p.m. and I'm gonna end this video because it's already been a week. But technically it's not a week, but it's a week of crochet items. I think I only vlogged for 5 days, and the 2 days I didn't vlog, but the tops that I crochet for that 2 days is in this video. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop at this for this video. Overall, I got 4 tops done. Yeah, 4 tops done. 1 hip scarf, I think, and then this one. I think I'm gonna work on this more tonight, but it's not going to be in this video. So if you want to see the result of this top, you're gonna have to watch the next video or the next video, because after this I'm gonna have a day in my life. So yeah, goodbye, good night, good morning, good afternoon, good day, bye bye.